Welcome to Phone Transformer. In this video, we're going to show you exactly how to buy one thing on Temu without adding anything extra to your cart. Now, let's get started. Step 1. First, take your phone and open the Temu app. Make sure you're logged into the correct account so that your credits, coupons, and order history are all properly displayed. Step 2. Now, in the menu, look for the cart option located at the bottom of your screen. Tap on it to view everything you've added for checkout. Step 3. From the cart menu, make sure to uncheck all items that you don't want to buy. Only select the one item you actually want to purchase, and then tap the checkout button at the bottom. Step 4. Now you'll be directed to the payment section. Here, select your preferred payment method, whether it's card, wallet, or other options. If you have a coupon available, apply it here by tapping the coupon field. Follow the instructions shown on the screen to complete the process, and that's it. You've successfully bought one item on Temu. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel.